Welcome to the Weather Centre on Friday, where the day starts off with some light morning rainfall or drizzle in the southwest, and we're keeping in a very small chance of light early morning rainfall over the extreme southern part of South Africa. Other than that, though, it'll be a dry end to the work week with some cloud along the coast and cooler conditions over the southern and eastern parts. A band of high cloud moves in from the west, but with yet another fine and dry day over the eastern half of South Africa. We're forecasting a warm Friday afternoon over the northern interior, with yet another hot day for Limpopo, as well as some Mpumalanga lowvelds. Here's the possibility of morning rain along the Western Cape coastline, but with a dry forecast across the rest of the country. You'll see cooler weather over the southern and eastern parts, with highs in the low 20s for Pietermaritzburg and Durban, and a maximum of 20 degrees for Bishu and East London. 18 as we head into Port Elizabeth and Cape Town, with a cool end to the work week. Cold for George and Sutherland, both at 16 degrees, and in contrast, we're expecting a hot afternoon in Bombela at 30 degrees. Polokwane even warms up to 27, in the mid-20s for Pretoria, Mahikeng and Uppington, with the mild weather continuing for Johannesburg at 23 degrees. Along the west coast, good beach conditions are expected, with a light northeasterly offshore component to the wind between Alexander Bay and Lambert's Bay. You'll see a moderate east-northeasterly wind for Langebaan, and along the west coast we'll see a 3-metre southwesterly swell at 13 seconds. A light north-northwesterly wind is forecast for Cape Town, with moderate beach conditions due to the possibility of light early morning rainfall. You'll see a light southeasterly wind as we head towards Cape Agulhas, and in the southwest an average swell height of 4 metres is expected, with a wave period of 13 seconds. Westerly winds are expected along the south coast in the morning, but with a moderate east-southeasterly wind for Mussel Bay and Plettenberg Bay in the afternoon. You'll see a light south-southwesterly wind for Port Elizabeth, with good beach conditions here. The day starts off with a 4-metre swell, but we'll see that swell height drop off as we head into the afternoon, with a wave period of 14 seconds. Good beach conditions are expected along the east coast, with a light southeasterly wind for Durban. You'll see a light south-southwesterly wind as we head towards East London, with a moderate southeasterly wind for Richards Bay, and along the east coast we'll see a 1.5-metre southerly swell at 6 seconds. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Friday.